Important questions of area of cutout surfaces. First question. Which formula is suitable for the area of a circle whose diameter is d? Answer is pi d square divided by 4. What is the circumference of a semicircle? Answer is pi r plus 2r. What is the area of irregular shape by Simpson's rule? Here y1, y2 up to y7 are called ordinates and h is the interval between the ordinates. In Simpson rule, we are going to consider h by 3 and then first ordinate and the last ordinate plus 4 times all the even ordinates plus 2 times all the odd ordinates. So the answer is option A. What is the name called biggest chord of the circle? The biggest chord passes through center and it is called diameter. What is the formula for circumference of a circle? Answer is 2 pi r. What is the formula for area of the semicircle? Pi r square divided by 2. What is the formula for area of the circle? Answer is pi r square. What is the area of the irregular surface? Let us draw a line. The dimension of right angle triangle is 15 mm. The dimension of this is 15 and the dimension of this side is 10. So here we have 3 shapes. First shape, second shape and third shape. First shape is rectangle with dimension 80 and 15. Second shape is square with dimension 15. And third is a right angle triangle with dimension 15 and 10. First we are going to find areas of each shape. First we will consider area of first shape. First shape is rectangle. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. So we have 80 into 15, which is equal to 1200. Next, area of second shape. Second shape is a square. Area of square is a square. Here value of side is 15. So 15 square, which is equal to 225. Next, area of third shape. Third shape is right angle triangle. Area of right angle triangle is half into base into height. So we have half into base is 15, height is 10. So we have 75. Here all the shapes are combined together. So the total area is A1 plus A2 plus A3. Substitute the values. 1200 plus 225 plus 75. It is 1500 mm square. So the answer is option C, 1500 mm square. What is the area of the shaded portion? Equilateral triangle side is 6 cm and circle radius is 1.5 cm. Here we have 2 shapes, equilateral triangle and circle. Side of equilateral triangle is 6 cm and radius of circle is 1.5 cm. First shape is equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle is given by root 3 by 4 a square. Root 3 by 4. Side is 6 cm, so 6 square, which is equal to 15.58. Second shape is circle. Area of circle is given by pi r square. Value of pi is 3.14 into radius is 1.5. It is 7.06. Here we have to find shaded portion. That means we are removing circle from equilateral triangle. So the total area is A1 minus A2. Substitute the values. 15.58 minus 7.06. It is equal to 8.52 centimeter square. So the answer is option A, 8.52 centimeter square. What is the area of the irregular surface? Here we have a rectangle. Let us take this as shape 1 with the dimension 80 mm and 60 mm. And we have 4 quadrants removed from this rectangle. First we will find area of first shape, which is rectangle. Area of rectangle is given by length into breadth, which is equal to 80 into 60. 4800. Next we will find area of quadrant. Area of quadrant is given by pi r square divided by 4. Substitute the values. Pi is 3.14 into radius is 20, so 20 square divided by 4. It is equal to 314. This is area of one quadrant. In this surface we have 4 quadrants. So total area A2 will be equal to 4 times area of quadrant. 4 into area of quadrant is 314, which is equal to 1256. Here the quadrants are removed from rectangle, hence total area is A1 minus A2. Substitute the values. A1 is 4800 minus A2 is 1256, which is equal to 3544 mm square. The correct answer is option B, 3544 mm square. What is the area of the irregular surface? Here we have 2 shapes. First shape is rectangle with dimension 150. Second shape is semicircle with diameter 20 mm. Area of first shape is length into breadth 100 into 50, which is equal to 5000. Area of second shape is semicircle. Area of semicircle is pi d square divided by 8. Pi is 3.14 into diameter is 20, so 20 square divided by 8, which is equal to 157. Here semicircle is removed from the rectangle, hence total area is A1 minus A2. A1 is 5000 minus A2 is 157, which is equal to 4843 mm square. So the answer is option D, 4843 mm square. What is the area of irregular surfaces? Here we have a rectangle with dimension 50 and 25 and 2 smaller rectangles with same dimensions 10 and 5. Area of first shape, which is rectangle, given by length into breadth 50 into 25, which is equal to 1250. Area of smaller rectangle, length into breadth and dimensions are 10 into 5, which is equal to 50. Here we have 2 smaller rectangles, so total area is twice AR. 2 into 50, 100. Here 2 smaller rectangles are removed from the bigger rectangle, hence total area is equal to A1 minus A2. 1250 minus 100, which is equal to 1150 mm square. The answer is option C, 1150 mm square. What is the length of arc of a sector whose perimeter is 64.8 centimeter and radius is 12.4 centimeter? Perimeter is 64.8 centimeter and radius is 12.4 centimeter. We know that perimeter is L plus 2R, where L is arc length, R is radius. Substitute the values. Perimeter is 64.8 is equal to L plus 2 into 12.4. 64.8 is equal to L plus 2 into 12.4 is 24.8. Now we will find value of L. 64.8 minus 24.8. 40 centimeter. So the answer is option A, 40 centimeter. What is the length of arc of the sector whose radius is 15 centimeter and the intended angle is 30 degree? Radius is given as 15 centimeter and angle theta is given as 30 degree. Length is given by 2 pi r theta divided by 360. Substitute the values. 2 into pi is 3.14 into r is given as 15 into angle is 30 divided by 360. 7.85 centimeter. The correct answer is option A, 7.85 centimeter. What is the area of the sector if the diameter is 12 centimeter and the angle is 60 degree? Given diameter as 12 centimeter and angle theta as 60 degree. Area is given by pi r square theta divided by 360. Here diameter value is given, so the radius will be half of diameter, which is 6 centimeter. Now substitute the values. Pi is 3.14 into radius is 6, so 6 square into angle is 60 divided by 360. It is equal to 18.84 centimeter square. So the answer is option D, 18.84 centimeter square. What is the formula for area of the segment of a circle? Area of segment is given by area of sector minus area of triangle. So the answer is option A, area of sector minus area of triangle. What is the area of the circle if the circumference of the circle is 44 centimeter? Circumference of circle is given as 44 centimeter. We have to find area of the circle. Area of circle is given by pi r square. But radius is not given, so first we have to find radius. Circumference of circle is given by 2 pi r. 44 is equal to 2 into pi is 3.14 into r. So r will be 44 divided by 2 into 3.14, which is equal to 7. Now we will find area. Pi is 3.14 into radius is 7, so 7 square. It is equal to 153.8, which can be rounded off to 154 centimeter square. So the answer is option C, 154 centimeter square. What is the area of the irregular surface? Here we have two shapes. First is a rectangle, second is also a rectangle. First rectangle has dimension 18 and 90. Second rectangle has 10 and 100. First shape is rectangle. So it is given by length into breadth 18 into 90, which is equal to 1620. Next, area of second shape, which is also rectangle, given by length into breadth 100 into 10, which is equal to 1000. Here both shapes are combined together, so total area is equal to A1 plus A2. 1620 plus 1000, which is equal to 2620. So the answer is option D, 2620. What is the area of the irregular surface? Let us divide this shape. This side is 25, this side is also 25, and this side is 90 minus 50, which is equal to 40. Now we have three shapes, 1, 2 and 3. First shape is rectangle, given by length into breadth 70 into 25, which is equal to 1750. Area of second shape, it is a rectangle, given by length into breadth 40 into 25, which is equal to 1000. And third shape is also rectangle with dimension same as first shape, hence A3 is equal to 1750. Here all the shapes are combined together, hence total area is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3. 1750 plus 1000 plus 1750, which is equal to 4500. So the correct answer is option C, 4500. What is the radius of the circle if the angle of sector is 90 degree and the area of sector is 196 centimeter square? Angle is given as 90 degree and area of sector is 196 centimeter square. We have to find the radius. Area of sector is given by pi r square theta divided by 360. Substitute the values. Area is 196 equal to pi is 3.14 into r square into angle is 90 divided by 360. R square will be equal to 196 into 360 divided by 3.14 into 90, which is equal to 249. We have to find R, which is equal to square root of 249. Square root of 249 is 15.77 centimeter. So the radius is 15.77 centimeter. What is the formula for perimeter of a sector? Answer is L plus 2R. What is the area of object? Here we have two shapes, square and equilateral triangle. Side of equilateral triangle is also 60. A1 is a square given by a square 60 square, which is equal to 3600. Next, area of second shape, which is an equilateral triangle given by root 3 by 4 a square. root 3 by 4 into 60 square, which is equal to 1558.8. Here the shapes are combined together, hence total area is equal to A1 plus A2. 3600 plus 1558.8, 5158.8 mm square. Answer is option D, 5158.8 mm square. What is the area of the lamina? Here we have two shapes. Both are rectangles. First shape is rectangle given by length into breadth, and dimensions are 100 into 50, which is equal to 5000. Next, area of second shape, which is also rectangle given by length into breadth, 160 into 60, which is equal to 9600. Here both shapes are combined together, hence total area is equal to A1 plus A2. 5000 plus 9600, which is equal to 14600 mm square. So the answer is option B, 14600 mm square. What is the area of the sector whose diameter is 40 mm and angle is 120 degree? Diameter is given as 40 mm and angle theta is given as 120 degree. We have to find area of sector, which is given by pi r square theta divided by 360. Here diameter is given as 40, radius will be half of diameter, which is equal to 20 mm. Now substitute the values. Pi is 3.14 into radius is 20, so 20 square into angle is 120 divided by 360. It is equal to 418.66 mm square. So the answer is option A, 418.66 mm square. What is the length of arc of a sector whose radius is 15 cm and angle is 40 degree? Given radius as 15 cm and angle theta as 40 degree. We have to find length of arc of the sector, which is given by 2 pi r theta divided by 360. Substitute the values. 2 into pi is 3.14 into radius is 15 into angle is 40 divided by 360. It is equal to 10.4 centimeter. Option D, 10.4 centimeter.